Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create tabs, delete, and rename them. Let's get started. As you can see, I have Home, Insert, Page Layout, and various other tabs. How can I create my own tab? Sometimes, you might not need to access all the tabs. You might only need a few options from specific tabs. In such cases, you can customize and create your own tab. Let's see how to do it. To start, I'll navigate to File, Options, to open a dialog box. Then I'll select Customize Ribbon. On the right-hand side, you'll notice the main tabs available. Within the Home tab, there are groups like Clipboard, Font, Alignment, Number, Styles, and so on. I'll begin by creating my own tab. After selecting the New Tab option at the bottom, I'll click on it. As a result, a new tab and a new group will appear. Now I aim to rename this tab. To do so, I'll click on the newly created tab and select the Rename option. Once I click on this button, a dialog box will appear, displaying the current name as New Tab. I'd prefer a more meaningful name, so I'll type Excel Shortcuts. And press OK. This action will rename the tab. Now I have a tab named Excel Shortcuts. However, it's currently empty. I'd like to add some options to it. To achieve this, I'll follow the same method. File, Options, Customize Ribbon. Inside the Excel Shortcuts tab, I'll click on New Group and proceed to add the features and functions I frequently use. For instance, I'll select Font and click Add. Similarly, I'll add font color and font size to this new group. Moreover, if I wish to rename the group, I'll click on Rename. Type a new name like Font 1. Select an icon if needed, and click OK. Consequently, within Excel Shortcuts, I've added options such as font color and font size, forming the Font 1 group. Should you wish to delete this tab, it's so easy. Navigate to File, Options, Customize Ribbon. Uncheck the checkbox corresponding to Excel Shortcuts, then click OK. This will hide the tab. Conversely, to delete the tab entirely, select it and click on Remove, and click OK. This process will restore the original settings. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.